There's a saying that I've heard quite a bit in the last couple of years, and that is, cash is trash. What people are saying is that having too much cash sitting in a bank or savings accounts or under the mattress is doing a person no good at all. Meaning that cash should be invested, it should be working, it should be moving, it should be making money, compounding. I don't disagree with that basic narrative. We want investments to work. We don't want to have a lot of cash sitting around doing nothing, not generating anything, particularly in an era where we have much higher inflation today, which means a debasement of the currency. Yes, dollars sitting on the sideline are losing value to some extent every day. It's like being on a down escalator. You don't feel like you're moving, but every moment, every second, you're losing ground. Well, the same thing's happening to currency, to cash. So I'm not disagreeing with the basic premise, cash is trash, but I'd say it always depends. We've lived through a generation, the last 15, 17 years, where we've had cheap debt, we've had fiscal and monetary stimulation that we haven't seen before, that has allowed people to make investments, sound investments, good investments in all kinds of assets that have really leveraged the ability to grow net worth. And that's been a big boon. But a lot of it's artificial, a lot of it is cyclical, and not knowing what sits on the other side of a cycle is what's dangerous. That's where I would have to say that cash is trash only to an extent. I believe cash is optionality. Optionality means it gives you options to say, I don't have to sell when other people are having to sell. It means I can buy when other people can't buy the opportunities. It means I can say no instead of having to say yes because I'm forced into a position I don't want to be in. Think about having cash as altitude when someone's flying a plane. Higher altitude up here means when there's turbulence, even unexpected turbulence, you've got room to maneuver without crashing and hitting the ground. If you're flying low, meaning you have very little margin, or in this case, low levels of cash on the sidelines, then not much margin at all, and you can hit the ground and burn out very quickly. So the optionality that cash provides in an environment where we're going through a correction in the cycle, which I truly believe we're in that right now, probably in the early stages, that cash on the sidelines, whatever extent is right for you. Again, that depends upon what age you are and where you are in career and how much other debt you have. It depends on a lot of factors, but thinking that cash by itself is a mistake, I would say think about that. Think about keeping some liquidity on the sidelines because it's what's going to give you the ability to navigate whatever comes next and then have opportunities to take what other people can't when cash is king again. So just keep that in mind as you go forward and people say cash is trash. Take it with a big grain of salt. Now it's going to depend on your situation, but I would say keep some cash, have it ready, have it available, have that optionality.